it's Adam here from Food and Fitness Always. Today we're going to be making crumpet pizzas, which I'm really excited about. They're like super convenient. It's a great like new way of using a crumpet. In the past, all I've ever put on it is like spread or jam. So if you want something that's really quick, quick dinner or even a quick snack, then this is definitely for you. This recipe, along with all my recipes, will be available on my blog, foodandfitnessalways.com. Let's get started. So there's so many different combinations you can use to make these crumpet pizzas. The main thing is obviously the crumpets, and then you've got like a tomatoey base with a passata, and then from there it's really up to you. So we've got some frozen sweet corn. I've just chopped up some cherry tomatoes. The smaller you do it, the better, because the cooking time isn't very long. So really you want to make sure that it's all cooked and nice and crispy. Then we've got seitan for the protein. Got some basil. One of the combinations we're doing is seitan, red onion and red roasted pepper. So the great thing about this is it's pretty much already cooked through. It's not going to have like that crunch, it's just going to be a bit more natural, like a pizza would be. So everything's ready. I've got with me the seitan, red onion and roasted pepper with some cheese on top, crumpet. So I'm going to now try it and hopefully it tastes good. That was really nice. I love the texture of a crumpet and it's just really spongy. And then you've got the toppings which just taste like pizza. So that's really good. Seitan's a really nice kind of like non-meat pepperoni. So these crumpet pizzas are perfect if you want something quick, you want a really nice healthy snack without having to make a pizza from scratch. Also, if you want to get your kids involved in cooking, then it's a really quick and easy way. They can choose the toppings and obviously you can put it on, and it takes like literally 5 minutes to cook. So let me know what toppings you would add to your crumpet pizzas. The full recipe will be on the blog, and I will see you all very soon. If you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you like the video again, please hit the like button, and I will see you all next time. It's like I've grown an extra ear.
Okay, I'll go.